Homestead. Today is Thursday, October 24th, 2024.
I'm Marco Castro.
And I'm Lucas Saavedra. And you're watching Python TV. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Hello, Pythons. Welcome back to Throwback Thursday.
I'm not feeling it today.
Rocco, it's your line. Why are you being so bratty?
Why are you being so pushy?
Hey, now don't call me.
Sorry, Miss Jimenez.
Sorry. Here are your daily announcements.
2 more days till homecoming.
Hi, I'm Miss Andrade. I'm the assistant principal of Somerset Preparatory Academy. And I'm so excited because I get to introduce Peppy the Python. It's our first official mascot, and he's going to be doing his grand appearance at the pep rally next week for homecoming. Be ready to see our first, loud and proud, Peppy the Python. Good Python!
Well, that's why I didn't want to say it.
Oh, okay, I get it. Sorry, Rocco. That's it for today, Pythons. Remember to stay positive, be kind, and make the most out of every day.
Let's make this school year one for the books. We'll be back tomorrow more news and updates. Have a great day. Go Python!